man, I really hate my normal clone. Why? Because he always makes grounded videos out of me and my friends, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to destroy my normal clone's wall clock. Ha 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 ha. When my witch clone got to my room. Okay, now I'm in my normal clone's room. Now let's destroy his wall clock. Yes! I destroy my normal clone's wall clock. Now let's... Stop! Right there. Oh no! It's my normal clone. That's right, and my witch clone. How dare you destroy my wall clock? That's it. You're grounded for 2 months. Go to your room right now. What? Hey.